Do you ever feel self-conscious about your breath? Whether it's a lingering garlic scent or chronic halitosis, bad breath can be embarrassing and affect your confidence. But don't worry, you're not alone, and we're here to help. In today's video, we'll share 10 proven tips to fix bad breath naturally and regain your fresh breath confidence. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Brush and floss regularly. The foundation of fresh breath is a solid oral hygiene routine. Brush your teeth at least twice a day for 2 minutes each time. Don't forget to floss daily to remove food particles and plaque from between your teeth, a common source of bad breath. Tip 2. Clean your tongue. Did you know your tongue can harbor bacteria that cause bad breath? Use a tongue scraper or the back of your toothbrush to gently clean your tongue. This simple step can make a huge difference. Tip 3. Stay hydrated. Dry mouth is a major culprit behind bad breath. Drinking plenty of water helps wash away food particles and keeps your mouth moist, reducing bacteria growth. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Tip 4. Chew sugar-free gum or mints. Chewing sugar-free gum or sucking on sugar-free mints stimulates saliva production, which naturally cleanses your mouth. Look for options with xylitol, which can even help fight cavities. Tip 5. Use an antibacterial mouthwash. Rinse with an antibacterial mouthwash to kill odor-causing bacteria. Opt for alcohol-free formulas to avoid drying out your mouth. Tip 6. Watch your diet. Certain foods like garlic and onions can linger in your system and cause bad breath. Reduce their intake and include crunchy fruits and vegetables in your diet to naturally clean your teeth and freshen your breath. Tip 7. Quit smoking. Smoking not only damages your health but also leaves a persistent bad smell in your mouth. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your breath and overall well-being. Tip 8. Visit your dentist regularly. Regular dental checkups are crucial for maintaining oral health. Your dentist can identify and treat issues like gum disease or cavities, which may contribute to bad breath. Tip 9. Try natural remedies. Natural remedies like green tea, cinnamon, and parsley can help neutralize bad breath. Brew some tea or chew on parsley after meals for a refreshing boost. Tip 10. Keep a balanced oral microbiome. Maintaining a healthy balance of bacteria in your mouth is key. Consider using probiotics designed for oral health to keep your microbiome in check and reduce bad breath. And there you have it, 10 proven tips to fix bad breath and regain your confidence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips on health and wellness. Looking for a simple solution to bad breath? Click the link in the description